Good morning. So here we are back again at the enchanted allotment, and beautiful day here, absolutely stunning. So I thought I would do another small plot. So I've just uncovered this. It had the plastic over it and there's loads of bricks around the outside, and so it's time to really start clearing this lot, and that means then that I've got two done. This is the one that I did the weekend, so that is looking pretty good. That's all the stuff that I got out of it. So I'm just working my way through the smaller plots for now, and then deal with the stuff as I go on. Not much else to report really. This is kind of like the state of it right now. There's still lots to do. I mean, the good thing is that this is obviously covered over, so that will be quite a quick and easy one, not much to so get up there from the roots. And I'm kind of thinking that I'm going to make this into my little herb and healing garden. There's a lot of stones here, and I think there's obviously the signs of obviously like a ground sheet weed cover, but as it's quite rocky, this will be really good for things like my thyme and lavender and other herbs. And yeah, it's quite new because the fact that it's circular. I thought that's quite a nice little design really, so that will be doing. And then I did have a quick go at attacking inside the fruit cage. Got rid of loads of obviously grass, things that were choking the other fruit bushes, and I found I've got gooseberries, which is absolutely brilliant in here. So it's all coming along step by step, and I think that's the thing when you take an allotment over, don't think you can do it all at once. Just do one little bit at a time, and yeah, it will get there. So I'll keep you posted on how this goes. So my tummy's rumbling now, so it's time for dinner. So I thought I would give you a little view of what I've done. So this is all now turned over. Pretty good soil, lots of little worms in there. And then I've also collected all the piles of brush, put those into one pile ready to put on a compost heap. Cleared up a lot of the thistles around here, so I do think this is going to be perfect for my herbs. That's definitely going to be my herb garden, and a little place as well for little creatures to live in, and lizards and stuff. Lots of little rocks. And then the strawberry bed. So both sides, this was that side was just as overgrown as this side, so I opened them both up, pulled out all the strawberry plants from this side, broad forked it over, and then replanted them. And so I'll be doing the same with this side as well, so there's a lot more strawberries in here. I just want to give these a bit of a head start and see what they're like this year. If I can get some strawberries, that would be brilliant. But yeah, it feels like I'm making headway, so that's a really, really good thing. So yeah, another good day's work done, well, a good hour's work done. Until the next episode, take care all.